Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you guys a quick manicure. This is what I did inspired in a new VoxBox that I received from Influenster, and I actually shared it in my other channel, but I wanted to show the step-by-step and share it with you guys here since I know a lot of you follow me because of my nail art. Before I get started with the manicure, I wanted to quickly show you what the box looks like so you see where I got my inspiration. It's a really cute blue box. It looks like it has little stars on it. And this is the card they included for the mini sample that they sent me, so this is where I got the inspiration for it. Let's get started. For my base, I chose this gorgeous Sinful Colors nail polish called Midnight Blue. I'll use a sponge to apply this Born Pretty polish called Aurora Borealis. I'll try to apply most of it on the tip of the nail. I'll follow the same steps and apply the polish on all the nails. I chose these two images from the Bundle Monster stamping plate Geo Trendy BM XL353. To stamp, I'll use this Yapa polish called Gabrielle and the Beauty Bigbang Gold stamping polish. I apply the polish on the plate, gently scrape off the excess, use the stamper to pick up the image, and stamp it directly onto my nail. I repeat the same steps for the second image using the gold polish. But before I do that, I'll clean my stamper with my lint roller. Now I'm ready to stamp again. I use a piece of tape to clean off the excess. To give my manicure a finished look, I always use a cleanup brush dipped in acetone to clean up around the cuticles. Since the acetone dries up the skin so much, I like to apply cuticle oil as soon as I'm done. To clean off my stamping plate without ruining my manicure, I use this strawberry color to hold a piece of cotton on the tip. I dip it in acetone and wipe the plate. To add a little bit of sparkle, I'll apply this Wet n Wild holographic glitter called Kaleidoscope, and I'll use a sponge to apply it. To add some shine and seal in my design, I'll use my Seche Vite Dry Fast top coat. This is the completed design. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!